Good afternoon. I'm Paul with Grist Real Estate, and we are here at 1156 Washington Street East in downtown Lewisburg for your virtual tour of the home. So we're actually standing on the front porch, beautiful arched covered front porch. Got your double columns in the front looking back on Washington Street. So you're right just on the edge of downtown, but in the heart of everything. You're 2 doors up from the closest place to eat. Across the street, you've got the United Methodist Church, and from there, it flows on down into the downtown area. So, super great area to be in, right on Main Street. Well, as we'll show you later, lots of privacy in the back that makes this a wonderful place to live. So, come on in, and we'll give you a tour around. So here we are in the front foyer area. As you can see, this house was originally built in 1925. It's recently been renovated top to bottom, lots of updates, but retaining a lot of its original charm and character. So from here, I do want to point out, I just love this front door. It's got this solid wood to it, and of course it has this classic knocker, because who needs a doorbell when you can do that? So from here, let's go into what would have been originally one of the front parlors or living room. So this seating area, it's got lots of windows. It's got your gas fireplace with the mantle over it, built-in shelves. And actually, one of the neat features on the main level, you'll notice up at the crown molding, that's dental molding. So it's a higher quality crown molding that's been made a part of the home. And you also have one of 2 of the built-in corner cabinets. It's got the glass faces to them. And these are just some of the features that lend to the charm and livability of the home. So from here, we'll go into what's being currently used as the dining area. There's actually another option beside the kitchen that can be used as well if you wanted a larger room. But for right now, this is what's being used as the main eating area. It flows onto the back porch, which I'll give you a peek of here in a minute. But first, I'd like to show you our sunroom. This is a very comfortable, cozy area. These great quality built-in bookshelves that run all along the base. It's got your stone countertops that run along. And then as we come to the rear of the room, beautiful stone fireplace and hearth with gas logs. And it's got some built-in cabinets to the right of that, and then a door to the outside. So this home has several doors in and out, a lot of easy access to keep the flow going. And speaking of that, we'll give you a peek here on this wonderful outdoor living area. Enclosed porch, screened in again on the back. And a great place to view the backyard. It's got another outdoor brick patio area here. And then these, what you call wall-to-wall forsythias. All that yellow that you see, the flowering bush, that is forsythia. And this is the perfect time of year to be showing you this home because of the flowers that are out. Oh, if you look to your left, there's one of the neighbors running across the backyard in front of the bushes. That's our resident gray squirrel there, out looking for some nuts. So, aside from him, tons of privacy. Hard to keep out the squirrels. Now you do have the daffodils that are out nicely right now, and then a beautiful dogwood tree, which is just one of my favorites. While we're here, just want to point out in the backyard, off the back, you have this detached 2-car garage. It's got a full apartment over it with a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen area, all very well done. Currently rented. But the new owners, if you wanted to keep it rented out, you can certainly do that, or if you wanted to do something different, you'll have that option as well. So from here, we're going to head back in, take a look at the kitchen, a few more things, and head upstairs. So absolutely fabulous kitchen. As you can see, it's been remodeled top to bottom, very high quality, lots of storage. You've got your granite counters all the way throughout. For those with the cooking side of things, you've got your Viking hood over your Wolf oven and range. Got this gas top here and the griddle. So lots of options there for staying at home. As you'll see throughout, all the appliances are stainless steel. It's got a very nice flow with your island in the middle, little bar sink there, prep sink, and floors in here, you've got your tile floor, but it's radiant heat, so very comfortable on the feet, keeps a nice ambient temperature all throughout the day, and there's even radiant heat underneath hardwood floors on the main level here. So from here, let's head back into the living area in the front. As I mentioned earlier, this could be your second option for a more formal dining room if you wanted that. It's right off the kitchen and flows to the front of the house. Got your nice tall ceilings, big windows, lots of natural light, chair railing all the way around. And of course here is our second corner cabinet. It's built in with the glass display area. So just very well done all throughout. Of course, hardwood floors that carries through. So circular flow right back to the front of the house. As I mentioned, we're right here at the front with my favorite door with the knocker. And then before we go upstairs, I wanted to show you the bathroom on the main level, which is just right here. So take a peek in. We've got a beautiful glass sink on the pedestal there, and then you've got this nice shower. Got your glass doors. It's a very large walk-in shower, subway tiles, just exceedingly well done. And for those who are curious, we do have a basement in the home, and that has concrete floors. It's about the full size of the footprint of the home, and there's even a wine cellar down there. So lots of storage. Currently the laundry is located down there, but there's also an option to put a laundry on the second floor tied in with the master closet, should you so desire. So let's head upstairs. So as we do, just want to let you know we do have a virtual buying program that we can walk you through the entire buying process without actually having to come into the home physically, should you so desire. One of the options too is that we can give you one-on-one video tours of various homes, narrow it down to your last few, and then you can come in person and see those. So those who are restricted from travel or don't want to travel right now, you can go ahead and get started on your buying process so that when you can travel, you'll be ready to go. So feel free to give us a call with questions on that. We can run you through how that works. It's pretty easy once you know how to do it. And we can even do one-on-one video conferencing to walk you through that process. So here we are, second level. I'm going to show you the bedrooms. Starting off with guest bedroom number 1. Very comfortable corner bedroom on the front of the home. 3 large windows, lots of natural sunlight again. Tall ceilings here as well. And all throughout the home, the windows have been updated, so it provides better energy efficiency. Oh, by the way, in case you're wondering about the mask and the gloves and the booties, we're implementing new safety protocols today, with the current climate, with everything going on in the world. But real estate has been deemed an essential service. It's part of the economy, and people need to have a place to live. But we want to be properly precautious in the things that we do and protect each other and our clients. So that's why we're doing this. We always adapt and adjust and move forward. So here's our bathroom, shared by the front 2 guest bedrooms. Very nice subway tile all the way around. It's got your marble floors, marble tile floors, pedestal sink, and this nicely done full shower bathtub combination with the folding glass doors. And of course, lots of natural light here too, which is a nice recurring theme. You have this nice historic home, lots of big windows all throughout. Just love it. So guest bedroom number 2, again, it's corner room here, got the 3 big windows, natural light. And you'll notice the radiator in the front. So we have radiator heat. It's a hot water boiler that heats all that. It keeps a very steady temperature throughout the day. And it's really one of the preferred heating methods in this area. So we're going to swing from here into the master closet. The bedroom we were just in could be made into a master bedroom as well. But this is attached to the master closet. Wonderful built-in hanging areas, places for shoes. Even has this awesome bench area, seated area here with built-in storage underneath for when you're dressing in the mornings or in the evenings, whatever it is that you're headed out to do. This flows into our master bathroom. It's got these stone tile floors and then this beautiful tile shower, oversized, with your showers in the corner, glass walls and door. As you can see, just a very refined, high-end quality all throughout. Exceptionally well done work. It's a very comfortable place to live. So one of those nice living areas is right here at the top of the stairs. So we've got a nice seating area. You can make it into a little library type place with a view out to the back. Settle in with your favorite book or your iPad. And from here, give you a peek at the main bedroom before we show you the bedroom number 4, which is upstairs. Then we'll come back through, take you outside to some of the living areas connected to the main. But let's take a peek in here first, so you can get an idea of what it's like. So as you can see, lots of natural light throughout. There is room for a king bed. Just love these railings up here too. And heading up to bedroom number 4. So as you can see, this is a classic area that was at one time an attic and has been converted into a bedroom. Very spacious bedroom. It's got your wood panels on the ceiling and the walls. Currently used with 2 single beds. Could be any size bed that you want. There's certainly lots of options for space there. And of course, for those young at heart or young at age, great area to be in. We've got this awesome built-in cubby playhouse area in the corner. It will provide hours of endless fun and delight. So from this area, we'll come over to this dormer area here, which would make a great office space, sitting area, whatever you wanted to use it for. Yeah, it's got a nice view of the backyard, very private, lots of natural light coming in. And then the room that everybody needs. Got your large closet area here, but could also be used for many different things, including exercise room, which you can see it's currently set up as. And of course, natural light here, updated windows, and then we've got a cedar wall on this particular hanging area here for your closet use. So from here, we will swing back down through the main bedroom and then go outside. So this home's location is just in the perfect spot because you get all the benefits of being right downtown. All the shops, restaurants, places to eat, just easy access in and out. But yeah, it's got all the privacy that you want here in the backyard. It's very well sited. So this area, this is certainly a fabulous place right here. Screened in porch, it's right off the main bedroom. Very comfortable place to be. Feel like you just want to sit down and snuggle in with your favorite book or your phone and check out of all the craziness of the world for a little bit. And of course, this has your classic blue ceiling to it too. It's a quintessential part of your southern homes. And we have our outdoor living area here, porch. Great view of the backyard, sunlight coming in, or in the summer, got some shade from the trees. And this is a great time to point out too that our brick home here has a standing copper metal roof. And that is a very high quality roof, and it'll last several lifetimes. It's got your snow eagles on it as well, so your gutters are protected. This is just one of the features that shows that this is a quality, well-done home. And we use this opportunity to just pan around on your back porch area or backyard area. As you can see, it's got a nice sized backyard, and then it connects through to Foster Street, which runs parallel to Washington Street and used as a primary entrance for homeowners coming in and out. You've got your garage and then your rear walkway. But you also have a parking area on the front with about 2 off-street parking spots. Thank you for joining us today here at 1156 Washington Street East. If you'd like more information or a one-on-one video walkthrough, we'd be glad to facilitate that. So just send us a message or give us a call at the office at 304-645-5000. I'm Paul with Grist Real Estate. Look forward to seeing you soon. Be safe, healthy, be well. Thank you.